This is KCAU 9 News at 10.
Condolences from around the country are pouring into the North Iowa community of Algona tonight after one of the town's police officers is shot and killed in the line of duty. Officer Kevin Cram was just 33 years old. Governor Reynolds has ordered flags at half-staff at all public buildings in the state. Good evening, and thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Tim Seaman. Algona is located just 144 miles northeast of Sioux City. And while the community of about 5,300 comes to grips with this tragedy, law enforcement across the state also is being reminded of the threats faced on a daily basis. Reaction from the tragic events in our top story tonight at 10. Officer Cram was serving an arrest warrant for 43-year-old Kyle Rickey when he was gunned down. Investigators say that Officer Cram located Rickey at a residence, and when he told him that he was going to be arrested, Rickey pulled a handgun and shot Officer Cram. He later died at a local hospital. Cram tonight being remembered as a husband and a father and a great officer who served his community. The unexpected loss is hitting Algona community members hard, and memorials are already being started around town. Elias Johnson from our sister station in Des Moines is in Algona tonight and has more.
What started as a tribute to Officer Kevin Cram has grown into an outpouring of love and support for this 33-year-old officer who was highly respected and treasured by those who knew him beyond his uniform and badge number.
Definitely a family man first, man of God, and the neighborhood we live in is out in the country, and we're all just in shock.
Stephen Trenkamp has been neighbors with the Cram family since the day they moved in. He's watched all three of the couple's three young boys grow up on their acreage outside of town, which is what they loved. Kevin spent a lot of time with his kids, hunting, exploring, very involved in their lives, which forever changed Wednesday night.
It's just hard to believe that he's gone, and his wife and kids and the department is left to pick up the pieces. And they'll pull it together somehow, but it just leaves a void there. You know, there's just definitely a void there that's never going to be filled.
Rickey is awaiting extradition back to Iowa after being apprehended last night in southern Minnesota. He's held in Brown County. Online court records indicate that Rickey was in court earlier Wednesday for a first appearance on a third-degree harassment charge for repeatedly harassing his ex-girlfriend. He remains in jail in Brown County tonight, charged with first-degree murder. Last night's tragedy comes as a shock to almost everyone, but members of the law enforcement community say they understand they could come in the line of fire at just about any call. Well, it's not known why Rickey shot and killed Officer Cram. Sioux City Police Lieutenant Jeremy McClure tells us that mental health issues are a serious concern on the street.
You know, we try to connect them with resources as best we can and have partnerships in the community like the mobile crisis assessment team, some of the mental health and other resources in the community. One thing that we do is also look at what happened and try to take lessons away from that and improve our safety.